Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Mathematical Economics. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss Cramer's rule. You can find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Statistics, Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the meaning of Cramer's rule or its use. So Cramer's rule is used to solve a system of linear equations. So Cramer's rule is a method used to solve the system of linear equations. So suppose we have given system of equations so it is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. So we have three linear equations and we want to solve this. We want to find the values of x, y and z. So how do we do that? So let's understand this step by step. Step 1. Write it in ax is equal to b format. So here what is our A matrix? That is coefficient matrix. A is our coefficient matrix which is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Coefficients of x, y and z. What is x? X is the variable matrix, so we have three variables x, y and z, and b is our constant matrix, that is d1, d2 and d3. This is step number 1. Now let's understand step 2. Now step 2 is to find determinant of A. That is step number 2. So now we know that determinant of A, that is dA, is equal to A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3. This is step number 2. Step 3. Find determinant for x, determinant for y and determinant for z. Now how do we find the determinant of x, y and z? So determinant of x can be found by replacing first column of determinant of A with constants. So therefore dx is equal to, in dA first column is a1 a2 a3. Instead of this we write the constant, so it is d1 d2 d3. Other two columns remain same, so it is b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 C3. This is determinant of x. Sorry, here we have the determinant of x. Similarly, dy is, you replace second column. So A1, A2, A3. Instead of B1, B2, B3, now we write D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3, matrix, determinant, and write D, Z. So it is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. First two columns remain same, and instead of third column now we write D1, D2, D3. So now we have determinant for x, determinant for y, and determinant for z. That is step number 3. So now we use these determinants to find the values of x. So step 4. Find x, y, and z. So what is the formula? X is equal to dx upon dA, y is equal to dy upon dA, and z is equal to dz upon dA. This is determinant of A, or the determinant of matrix A. This is determinant of matrix X, determinant of matrix Y, and determinant of matrix Z. So this is how we find the values of X, Y, and Z. Now let's understand this with the help of numerical example. Let's understand this with the help of numerical example. So suppose we have matrix X, or first note down the system of equations. System of equations. So suppose we have 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 7. So here we have the equation. Step number 1. Let's solve it by step by step. Write this equation in the Ax is equal to B format. So A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. X is equal to x, y, and z, and B is equal to 9, 8, 7. So here we have coefficient matrix. This is our coefficient matrix. Variable matrix, and this is constant matrix. So now step number 2. Step 2, find determinant of A, which is denoted as dA. So dA is equal to 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. So this is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 1 minus 6. So this is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 5. So therefore this is equal to 6 plus 1 minus 15, which is equal to 8. So dA is equal to 8. This is dA. Now step 3. Step 3. Find dx, dy and dz. So therefore, what is dx? Replace first column with constants. So it is 9, 8, 7. This is constant. Other two columns remain same. So it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. This is the determinant of x. So this is 9 into 4 minus 1. Minus 1 is 16 minus 7 plus 3, 8 minus 14. So this is equal to 27 minus 9 minus 18. So value of ax is equal to, determinant of x is equal to 0. Let's find dy. So now we replace second column. So first column is 2, 1, 3. Second column is constant, that is 9, 8, 7. And third column is 3, 1, 2. So this is equal to 2 into 16 minus 7 minus 9 into 2 minus 3 plus 3, 7 minus 24. So this is equal to 2 into 9 minus 9 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 17. So this is equal to 18 plus 9 minus 51. So it is equal to minus 24. Now let's calculate dz. So here we replace third column. So 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7. So it is 2, 14 minus 8 minus 1, 7 minus 24 plus 9, 1 minus 6. So it is 2 into 6 minus 1 minus 17 plus 9 minus 5. So therefore this is equal to 12 plus 17 minus 45, which is equal to minus 16. So now determinant of x is 0, determinant of y is equal to minus 24, and determinant of z is equal to minus 16. And determinant of a, the value of determinant of a is 8. So this is equal to 8. Now let's find x, y and z. So step number 4. This is step 3. So now we have step 4. Find x, y and z. So therefore x is equal to dx upon dA. So dx is 0, dA is 8, therefore x is equal to 0. Y is equal to dy upon dA. So dy is minus 24, a is 8, so answer is minus 3. Let me check whether dA is 8 or minus 8. Sorry, this is minus 8. It is 6 plus 1 minus 15 minus 8. So therefore here we have minus 8. So y is 3 and z is equal to dz upon dA. So the value of dz is minus 16 upon minus 8, which is equal to 2. So x is 0, y is 3 and z is 2. So the solution to the system is 0, 3, 2. This is how we write the solution. So if you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.